Start.
Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video, and today I have a very iconic laptop that we have used in our channel. And so today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the RAM, which I have right here. So this is the extra RAM that we are going to install in this computer. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, flip your laptop around, then remove your battery. Now there are different types of laptop with different structure. So just to upgrade the RAM, there is a little slot cut out right here. You can just unscrew this little screw right here, and then it can pop right out. And as you can see, this is the RAM right here. So what I'm going to do is take this one out. This is the 2 GB RAM, and then I'm going to place the secondary or the second RAM, which is this one. This is the 16 GB version. So let's just place it right in, and it doesn't matter which slot you put in, it will going to work exactly the same. So let's just align this little notch right here, as you can see, and this is the little notch right here which aligns with the RAM. So just slide the RAM in, and don't put too much force. When it is in, just press it down and it will lock right here. After that, you can just put the cover on and screw it back in place. Then place your battery in.
2,000 years later.
Then just lock it in place, flip your laptop around, and you're good to go.